Have you seen her? Sa TV, have you seen Megan nga? Miss World? Nakita mo na? Oh, hindi ganun maganda. Slide lang. Oh. Slide lang. Halos. Mega nerd. Yun, okay. Dixon, you have to be very gentle to her because she has never had any boyfriend since birth. Okay? So this is the first time. Dixon, I want you to put on your hand. Hold her hand this time. There you go. Feel her hand. Feel. Okay. Hold both hands. Both hands. Ask for her hand. Ang ginawa yung deposits dito. Ano ka? Ay, hindi kita remembrance. Kasi transfer yung account sa pangalan mo. Oh. This time, stay closer now. Stay closer. Closer, Dixon. Ikaw lumapit. Yan. Kapkapag mo siya, Dixon, security guard kasi siya. Oh. Kiss kayo sa lips, ha? Smack. Smack lang. Bakit hindi pwede? Akin, di ba, ito yung pinapangarap ko. Pero to, sabi niya hindi pwede kasi never been kissed ako. Eh, ba't ka nagpadala ng letters sa wish ko lang? Eto na ha, kiss ha, Dixon, ready? Sa cheek lang, sa cheek. Okay, ready? 1, 2, ikaw ang lapit. Ready? Cheek lang, lapit ka lang. Kiss, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Ayaw talaga. Di ba kikilis siya? Basta mag-aura. Okay, just take off your blindfold now so you can see her. 1, 2, 3,